What's up, guys? So this 2009 XC90 Volvo, I just got done doing an oil change. I'm gonna see if I can reset the oil life. As you see, we have time for regular maintenance, and then we have the triangle in the center of the dash. So what we're gonna do is key off, turn it to the first position, hold the odometer reset down, and then we're gonna switch the ignition to the second one. Triangle's blinking, push it again. Once we hear a beep, it should be good. So I think we're good. Key off. Okay, so it looks like it's gone.